Alright everyone, welcome back to Automotive Anatomy. So today we're gonna bust a mission to the junkyard, but it has nothing to do with Jackie. Well, Jackie's here just chilling. Now we gotta get some stuff for Rosie. She's been feeling a little left out. So the idea is this. The idea is that I love my 94 Accord, aka Rosie. I don't like the paint fade, and that was one of the things that I really wanted to do to the car, to paint her. But then the whole thing with Rosie, with Jackie happened, and so then obviously that took priority. So today we're gonna go meet with one of your favorite characters, Armando, and we're gonna the junkyard. We're gonna pick up a hood, and we're gonna pick up a fender. The right fender is good. The left fender is the one that needs to be replaced like yesterday. Paint, I'll keep the paint to myself. There's a few colors that I'm thinking of, some colors out there, but I don't know. I think I woke up this morning more on the simplicity, more on the started thinking about some of the other life goals I have, and I'm thinking, is that $1,000 to $2,000, $3,000 difference gonna make a difference in my future? Maybe, maybe not. But I'm gonna bounce some ideas off Armando, and then we're gonna go from there. You know it's bad when I'm bouncing ideas off Armando, but yeah. Armando's already thinking of the food.
I was gonna let him hit me, that way we could eat for free.
You get hit, you eat for free. Alright, so what are we getting today?
Gus needs a hood, a fender. I'm telling him we should just trade it in. They might give him a good deal on something in better condition.
I parked closer to like the entrance where they turn in the cars, and this guy was like, you might want to move it, because what if they actually come and take it and put it in? I was like, you know, actually you're right. It's looking a little clapped out a little, not even gonna lie. So I'm like, all right, so I ended up moving it. So yeah, we're gonna get some inner pieces. Hopefully we find them. There was 3 cars way.
Interior pieces?
Yeah,
You said inner.
interior pieces instead of inner. Did you even graduate high school?
I did. Did you?
I did.
Fucking Monday, fucking Cesar Chavez or what?
Shout out to any homie that's watching graduate from Cesar Chavez. If you know, you know.
Nah, those fools are in fucking.
Alrighty, so we're looking for row 9 and space 3, row 16. This yard, when it rains, it's not the one that you want to be at. It's super oily, but when it doesn't rain like today, your feet just feel sticky, but it's pretty clean. Hopefully the front end is intact and in good condition. So this yard used to find a lot of good stuff. It was a big, you know, hit and miss. I would never check. There it is. I would never check the inventory. Super clean. Damn, it's in better paint than
This is really fucking clean.
Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah. So for sure we need the left fender. The right one, the other one's in good condition. Not tripping too much. Bumper, it's a 94, 95, so I don't want it. I want the 96, 97. So I think I'm just gonna have Mata order the new one. But yeah, the fender's perfect. And then, oh, nice. They have, oh, it's cracked over here. They have the interior piece. Nope, of course they wouldn't. This car was in good shape, man. They came in and just took everything. It's in really good condition, way. What happened?
So, I think this guy might be related to you because his moldings are held on by self-tapping screws.
He's in a core owner, so yeah, we built the things the same way. So sad. All right, so next thing is going to be this 94, 95 lip because it's in extremely good condition. I'm contemplating on this right fender. My fender's good, but it's just too clean not to take it, but we shall see. And then Armando already took the armrest that I needed because the other one is really shot. This is, believe it or not, this is much better condition, so we'll take that. And then yeah, we'll see. Hood's off, front lip is off, fender, armrest, great donor car. I would have taken the front bumper too, but it's a 94, 95 and I want 96, 97, so that's that. This car looks like it was resprayed at some point. The paint's in good condition.
Definitely was.
Yeah, right? But the windshield is in good condition. I need a windshield, but gee, I don't know how to take a windshield. Yeah. Know how to take a windshield?
You want to?
I don't trust you, that's why. Doo-dum. Doo-dum, doo-dum, doo-dum. Alright, making over to road 30. That's cool. I've never seen this front logo. Okay. So Armando, stay back there. That way we don't have to carry the hood and the wheelbarrow with us. And I'm gonna go ahead and come and check out real quick. See what's out here. Oh, it's a good condition. Grill. Dun, dun, dun. Not the same color. Man, it's a great condition grill. Do I need it? I don't need it. I don't need it. Probably do need it. I don't need it, but I want it. Okay. Acura, Del Sol. It's a lot of cars today, man. A lot of good condition cars. Okay, so I was about to say, did I make a wrong turn? Okay, well, I don't see our car that we need. Really what I'm looking for is the sun visor. My left one hangs a little bit, not too much, but a little bit, just enough. Man, that girl's catching my attention, but the hood already comes with the H emblem. I think I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm gonna keep it with 94 grill, 94 hood, and then 96 bumper. That'd be it. Road 30. What's road 30? 32, 31. Man, well, I'm glad the main one was here, because yeah, there was 3 Accords that I could have gotten the stuff from, and the one that we went directly to had all of our parts. So the sun visor really just a luxury, you know how we do. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to find it. So story time. I'm gonna swap. So we're gonna swap up the hood and the fender here at the yard. And many moons back when Jackie got hit, the hood hinge, the hood hinge for it to close wasn't straight. I came here, got a 96 Accord hood, swapped the hood by myself in the parking lot. I went to close it, it wouldn't close right. Took the hood out, put the old one back. I tried to come back here and tell them, hey, can I return it by warranty? It was one of those weekends that they had the specials, and the guy was just being not very nice. He was just like, no, our system is not programmed to do that right now. BS, right? So I ended up putting the hood behind some storage. I'm like, I'll come back in 2 days, and you know, came back the next day, the hood was gone. So they obviously were watching me through the cameras in the parking lot. So today we're gonna swap out the hood and fender. We're just gonna mint. Yeah, good decision on getting the hood.
Hey, we got it first try.
Yeah, I think so. Man, looks good, huh?
Yeah.
We're changing the parts in the parking lot. Yeah, it's really, really good. Perfect.
Fender?
Yep. The old one's coming out. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and take out the weather strip. Never seen any other car with them, so when we take it to get painted, I'm gonna request that we put these ones back on. Lip, we can't put it on. I gotta cut it, so I'll do that later on. But everything else is matching perfectly. The hood we got at the first try. We're gonna go back and return these ones for the core support, for the core fee they have. And then yeah, looks like it's, damn, this thing matches perfectly. It's extra. Alrighty guys, so there you guys have it. We swapped the fender, hood, and other little pieces in the parking lot. We got 18 bucks back. Man, the Junkyard is not getting any cheaper here in the States. It's getting pretty bad, not gonna lie. Fender OEM, enough clearance there since these wheels are not aggressive. But yeah, thank you so much, Armando. I appreciate you, man. Next step is getting another front bumper and then installing the 94-95 lip. And yeah, we're gonna be getting some food, and we're still gonna be contemplate a couple more changes for Rosie. But for now, man, she looks so good. I really like the way she looks, so I'm excited for what's to come for her. And yeah, I mean, she's driving good. I think my my right wheel bearing is starting to give out, starting to make some whining sounds, but other than that, she's mechanically, electronically running so smooth. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Appreciate you guys' the love and the support. And yeah, man, Accord gang gang.